Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily show all messages from a specific user on a Discord server. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we're gonna open up our server. Here in the server, as you guys can see, we have search. For me, it's HardReset because it's my server name, but what are we gonna do here is we're gonna click on it. Now we're gonna go and select from a specific user, or we type from, and here we can choose a user. So I'll choose the HardReset.Info, the blue avatar guy, and as you guys can see, we get 6 results in hashtag general. So this is this channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So everything is matching up. Now we can select from specific user, it will be the same. And now the second one, as you guys can see, we get 3 results here. Sometimes it happens like this, it does not count this message right here. Pretty normal. And as you guys can see, let's try it again. So now it's still free. As you guys can see, sometimes it might be laggy. Sometimes you might try to restart your Discord, but other than that, it's really helpful, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.